I have been through hell. I've walked through the darkest night, carried more than I could bear, still searching for the light. Every scar has told a story, every tear has washed my soul. Though the storm tried hard to break me, God has never let me go. I will not give up, I will not back down. Even when the world is shaking, I will stand my ground. I will keep believing, though I cannot see. Your hand is always leading. Your grace is carrying me. There were nights I cried in silence, when no one knew my pain. But you counted every heartbeat, and you called my name. When my strength had disappeared, your mercy became enough. You turned my deepest weakness into fearless love. I will not give up, I will not back down. Even when the world is shaking, I will stand my ground. I will keep believing, though I cannot see. Your hand is always leading. Your grace is carrying me. Mountains may rise before me, the valleys may grow deep, but the one who walks beside me will never leave. No weapon formed against me can steal the hope I know. Every trial is preparing the place where faith will grow. I will not give up, I will not back down. My God is still my refuge, my solid, faithful ground. I will keep on singing with every breath I take. The battle is not over, but I know my God makes a way. I have been through hell, but heaven lives in me. The fire did not destroy me, it set my spirit free.